videoing. The sun's hitting me from the left, so I can't. Yeah, I'm videoing. It's a bit hard. It was a sun disturbing my thing. I can't see the video, but the video's on anyway. Just hit the 70k mark to Keetmanshoop, so we'll be there in a few ticks. But it's nog steeds ver verlate vlaktes, joh. This is the old road, clearly, or the original road. After the construction section, you know, there was the surveying section, and then there's a bit of a flat, quite a long, flattish, but I think it must have been low lying because there were culverts they were building left, right and centre. Obviously when it rains big, and then they got to keep the water off the road. Anyway, so still nice and cool. In fact, the tip of my one finger is getting a bit nummy. Yummy nummy. But all good at just under 70 k's out of Keetmanshoop, Houston.